I think I'm probably one of the only few people on YouTube that's able to make this much revenue with a low subscriber count. Now let's get to my analytics. All right. So here's my analytic, guys. What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron, and welcome to my channel, a channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So man, listen, today's video I'm going to show you guys how much I was able to make in the month of April after I've really started implementing this strategy that I'm going to talk about in this video. First, I want to thank God, bro. I literally, seriously, I do want to thank God for this opportunity, because I was about to quit on YouTube, you know, I think last year, because I felt like I was on it for a long period of time, but my income was not really reflecting on, you know, how much work and how many hours I was really putting on my videos. If you guys know me, y'all know I'm a hustler, okay? I have a regular 9-to-5 job. I do have my own business as well. I do some side hustles, some side gigs, and I still have time to post on both of my channel at least 2 to 3 times a week, if I can, whenever I can. And I think I stopped posting for like a month. I had actually traveled. I went back to Africa. If you guys don't know, I am African actually. I'm from Congo. That's a country in Africa. For those of you guys who don't know, I do speak French. French is my first language. But yeah, so when I went there, you know, I went on a vacation, kind of like ease up my mind, see my family, just kind of like relax a little bit. I was not posting for over a month, all right? But then when I came back, I had this talk with myself, and of course I had this talk with God. I say, man, listen, man, I'm tired of not making no bread, man. I ain't tired of not making no money, okay? I'm tired. So I think it was like the end of November, I started getting this idea, you know, on the type of videos that I should be making on my channel, and I started like implementing this technique that I saw from the video that actually like made me gain a lot of revenue. I was like, wait a minute, like, what? Like, my CPM went so crazy on that video, all right? It went crazy. I started using that same strategy on all my videos, all right? And you guys already know that strategy is how to increase your CPM. I made a specific video on that. You guys can go ahead and watch it on my channel, how to increase your CPM. And everything that I showed you guys in that video, listen, I use it for all the videos that I post, all of them, all right? I don't care if it works or don't work, but you guys have to understand that when you make a video on a specific topic or a specific object, if there's a company out there really promoting for that topic or for that object, right, and then you're using all those high keywords to really put in your tag section or your description, though it might not increase your views, though it might not get your subscribers, but it trigger ads, okay? It trigger those companies, because those companies pay for videos that are relatable or that are showing whatever they want to sell. So it triggers those big companies, those advertisers, to really dump a lot of their money, you know, in that video. So, you know, I kind of just want to test it out. I never knew it would get to this point. I never knew like I would wake up and like you feel me, like just look at my total like crazy, man. Before you even start getting paid on YouTube, you guys already know the requirements. You do have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Some people might reach the 4,000 watch hours before the 1,000 subscribers, because those people tend to make longer videos. If you really want to like start getting paid on YouTube, man, and you're starting off, forget them shorts. I understand the shorts gonna get you the subscribers, but listen, man, if you got 1,000 subscribers with no watch time, bruh, I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna be a long wait, a very long wait. You're gonna play the waiting game right now. Those shorts don't even give you 1,000 hours, man. They don't. It's so short, they're only a few seconds. You can have 1 million views in one short and not even make that 4,000. But if you got 1 million views on a 10-minute videos, man, you might crank that thing up. You know what I'm saying? So there's a big difference on the type of videos you guys do post out there. And also, some people do also get the 1,000 subscribers first before the 4,000. Those people tend to really start their YouTube channel with like shorts or like shorter videos, you know, relatable videos, and they tend to crank that 1,000 mark first. When I first got monetized, my checks were trash. From 2000 and I believe 2000, I can't remember when I joined YouTube. I think 2019. When I got monetized, my checks used to be like, bro, I used to get paid like $30 a month, $20, $29, $25. They were so tiny, it made no sense. But it was just like when I started seeing that amount, I was getting encouraged to make more videos and to really just start pushing my content out there. So that way, the more videos I'm able to make, the more money I'm able to make as well. But then I started getting burnt out. I started getting really tired, because I felt like even though I was pushing out a lot of videos, my revenue was still tiny. It was still small, until one day I was able to make $100 a month. Now I really got excited. I understand $100 can be easily made up there. You can do some side hustles and make $100, but when you make it on YouTube, it's like life changing because you start to think about how much more you can make and how many more videos you can push out. I started getting motivated like to push out more content, and I started pushing out more content. I had pushed the $200 mark. I finally made $200 on YouTube, and I was like, wow, I didn't know I could make that much more money. But then once I pushed to like 250, I started like plateauing to between $99 and $200. I plateaued, and I started getting, you know, like tired of making these videos, and boom. So the end of 2021, of course, you know, apply my CPM strategy. Bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna jump into my analytics so you guys can really see how much YouTube was able to pay me from December, January, February, March, and April. April just ended, by the way, so I'm gonna show you guys how much I made in April because it was crazy. I've been applying this strategy every single time that I'm uploading my videos, and April was just like the icing on the cake. And I remind you guys, I only have a little over 5,000 subscribers right now. I'm currently at 5,276 subscribers. So to be able to make this much for only 5,000, I think I'm probably one of the only few people on YouTube that's able to make this much revenue with a low subscriber count. Now let's get to my analytics. All right, so here's my analytic, guys. So let's go to the month of December. All right, so the month of December, let's see how much I got paid right here. You guys can see the month of December, I was at $351.79. Now, this is when I really started implementing my strategy because, you know, I was so stuck on one from anywhere from $99 to $250. So when I really started like implementing my strategy, I started seeing like a slight increase in my revenue, and I was able to make at least $100 more than I normally make on a regular daily basis. All right, and after December, of course, January came. I started using the same strategy, but I was, you know, of course, posting. I was posting actually a lot in January. I was posting a lot of videos, and there we go. In January, I was able to make $455, of course, 45 cents as well. So, you know, just using the strategy, you guys can see I had plateaued at 250, but now I cranked up, you know, and increased $200 more than what I had plateaued. Now, moving fast forward in February, I really was like, I was posting a lot of videos, but I wasn't posting like as much as I normally used to post before. And I was kind of lazy, I'm not gonna lie, because I was very busy, you know, just like trying to look for apartments and stuff like that. I was very busy in February. So, but here's how much I made. I still made more than I normally made, you know, when I had plateaued, and it was $431.23. So you guys can see I went from making, you know, plateauing at $99 to $200, and now making way more than that. You know, I basically doubled. I basically doubled what I was making, you know, what I had plateaued. So now things started getting a bit, you know, crazy in March. March is when I really started going crazy, and I really started like, you know, going hard. I stopped really posting shorter videos. I started posting more longer videos because, you know, you tend to get more ads on longer videos, and don't be afraid to put ads in your videos. Please don't. If you really want to use this YouTube as a hobby and you are afraid to put ads in your videos, what are you doing? You got to get paid for your hard work. So started putting more ads in my videos, and look what happened, y'all. Hard work pays off. I was able to make $767.79. So guys, look, making $700 might seem like a little bit in a month, but you guys have to understand this is money that you never had in your pocket. This is money that not everybody make. Okay, not everybody's able to have an extra $700 in their savings, or an extra $700 to spend on a bill. You just never know what you're gonna need your money for, but it's always good to have extra. Nothing is wrong with that. Now, y'all see why when I say I thank God for this, man. Look, man, I'm not just saying I thank God because I'm happy or whatever. No, because I really struggled, and when I struggled, I never gave up, and He was always by my side no matter what. All right, and look what I was able to make in April. All right, come on now. April, I was able to make $1,402. Of course, 93 cents. We talking about a comma. This is my first comma on YouTube with only 5,000. And look, I don't do any live streams. I've never done any live streams on YouTube before. Never. All right. I don't have people freaking doing super chats. You know what I mean? But it's crazy because I don't think anybody, you know, with my subscriber count, is able to make this much. If they're able to make this much, then that's crazy. That's amazing. I salute to them, because I thought I was the only one that was able to make this much, but that's crazy. So guys, this is what I mean by never giving up on your dream. This is what I mean by never quitting. Every time you give up, every time you quit, I'm telling you, man, you're not gonna see the benefit, because when you quit and when you give up, you kill your dreams. Your dreams are dead, and the thing, and basically they're never gonna happen. You stop the possibility of your growth. You stop the possibility of your breakthrough whenever you quit or give up on whatever it is that you want to do in life. All right, and you guys can see, like, May just started. Like, this is May 1st. This is my income for May 1st. Now I'm able to make anywhere between $35 to maybe $50 or $60 a day on YouTube. You guys can see yesterday I was able to make $41 in one day. You know, I don't know how much I'm gonna make, you know, this month of May. Hopefully, my goal is to crank up 1,500. If I was able to do 1,400, I can do 1,500. I can go all the way to 2,000, maybe 10,000 one day. Who knows? You know, I just gotta keep posting more videos. Of course, get more views, and hopefully my subscriber count increase. I just gotta hustle and grind on this YouTube thing, guys, because this thing is amazing, y'all. It's amazing to release. I can't wait for the 21st, because I want to see that comma. I want to see that stack in my account on the 21st. I want to see my stack. But also, one thing I want to let you guys know is every time you guys get paid on YouTube, please put some money aside because of tax, you know, tax purposes. You will get a 1099 at the end of the year, y'all. Y'all gonna get a 1099, and y'all gonna have to pay taxes on YouTube. So anytime that you spend money on equipments on YouTube, or whatever the case is, anything you promote on your YouTube channel, make sure that you're really keeping up the receipts. Make sure you're recording everything, you know, that you're spending money on, because, you know, when it comes tax time, it's going to be very hard if you're not putting money aside. And also, if you want to save more money, then you have to account for everything that you spend money on for your YouTube channel. That is very important, guys. But guys, this is how much I made, you know, for the month of April, after I started really implementing the CPM strategy. Now, guys, you guys can really also make this much if you have higher subscribers and higher views as well. But this is more so for the small content creators out there, for the small channels out there. If you're a small channel, never give up on your dream, never quit, keep going, and make sure you are watching my video on how to increase your CPM, so that way you can start cranking up some of your videos, and this is what you're gonna be able to make. If not less than this, if not more than this, who knows. But I really do appreciate you guys for watching this video. I know this video was a bit longer, but y'all know, man, I had to show y'all the truth. I had to show y'all the real thing and not really hide anything behind. All right, so I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all follow me on social media, on Instagram at @itstherun_. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. God bless. I'm out. Whoop.